What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Bitcoin because there is pretty high probability that we are gonna go to a new all-time high, which means we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do another huge pump. So if you are interested about the exact price that I think Bitcoin is gonna hit in the upcoming days, and also if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. As I told you in the intro, right now Bitcoin is about to break a current all-time high, which is on the level approximately like 74k, slightly under that. If we will break a current all-time high, let me give a second, I will mark it here, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any interesting or like any important supports or resistances, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Of course, first possible entry that a lot of people will be doing will be in case of just a breakout. So in this case, there is pretty high probability of a potential liquidity grab. So me personally, I'm definitely not recommend doing that. Better opportunity or like better setup will be to wait for a breakout and then for a support confirmation on a daily time frame. Of course, if there will be just a huge pump, you might miss this trade, but in the long time perspective, I think there is always better to wait for a support confirmation. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you should place somewhere under this current all-time high, and like the stop loss will only depend on the potential risk reward ratio that you want to have, because the first important support on a daily time frame is this bullish order block, which is between level 67k 500 and 65k 278. And if you will place the stop loss just under this bullish order block, then of course the risk reward ratio is not gonna be great. Your last take profit target in this case you should place around the levels 80 to 85k, and me personally, I think there is pretty high probability that once we will confirm support confirmation above the current all-time high, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this area. So this trade can give you potential risk to reward up to 6.65. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like 4 something like that, which is in my opinion really great. And if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you just want to follow my analysis, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing those analysis, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another entry will be valid here in case of a breakout, fake out, and then a resistance confirmation, because right now Bitcoin is starting to be really overvalued on the RSI indicator. So if there will be breakout with a fake out and then a resistance confirmation, you can open here a short trade. Short entry can look, for example, like this. So entry will be under this resistance area or under the current all-time high, and stop loss in this case you want to place under the high that we will create during the fake out. Of course, if we will create here, for example, something like this, then the setup is of course invalid, but if the fake out will be just a small one, you can open here something like this, and the exact trade can then look like this. So as I said, stop loss above the high that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you need to place under this bullish order block, because if we are gonna retest this area, there is again pretty high probability of a potential liquidity grab, which means we will take liquidity under this previous important lows. In this case, it is really important to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits take above these previous highs, so level approximately 72k, then above this high, which is level like 70k, then above this bullish order block, which is level like 65k 67k 600, and then the last take profit target is like 65k. This trade, of course, it will depend on a potential fake out, can give you a risk reward ratio up to 5.59, which is again really great, and if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 4. So if you are watching those setups, you probably understand that opening some trading position right now is definitely not a great idea, and you need to always wait for a proper setup. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, you can open here a long trade, and if there will be breakout with a fake out and the resistance confirmation, you need to open here this short trade. If you are interested about some trading scenarios on a lower time frame, then to be honest, I'm not watching here like any of the interesting ones. Of course, if we are gonna retest this bullish order block area, then definitely this can be a really good long opportunity. So if on a daily time frame there will be a liquidity grab under with the support confirmation, you can trade here, for example, something like this. So stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, kind of the same scenario that we are having here on that short trade, and stop loss in this case will be under the current all-time high or under the high that we created during the fake out. And as I said, this can give you another really great trade. Also, don't forget that still not that many people are interested about Bitcoin right now, because if we will take a look on a Google search right now, Bitcoin is almost on its all-time low. So we know that like the retail or like the dump money are still not interested about Bitcoin, they are more interested about altcoins. But don't forget that once we will break a current all-time high, and so all media will like just now start talking about Bitcoin, this can be another really insane bullish momentum. So yeah, definitely keep also that in mind. And as I said, if you want to know about all the coins, not just a Bitcoin that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing like analysis on the coins that I'm watching, or we are sharing here all news from a crypto space. As I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also, if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, then I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.